Hello everyone, welcome back to the Java course 2023. In this video, we are going to see how to take the user input using various methods in Java. So there is a class in Java which is called as scanner class, okay, through which we are going to see how can we take the user input. Because we have learnt about the methods and we have seen that we were passing the values to the methods, to the constructors using means hard coding it. Ideally, we should store the value in some variables. So suppose we create a variable like a and we assign it 3 and then we assign b as 6, and if we pass a and b as the parameters, but again here we are hard coding the values, which is definitely not recommended again. So it's better that we should take the input from the user, and according to the input by the user we pass the value to the constructor or to the method. Okay, so let's understand how can we take user input using the scanner class. So we write first scanner class. Now as you can see, this scanner class is coming from java.util package. Now we have not learned the concept of package yet, and we have not explored the java.util also, but for now, to use and to solve the problems related to where you may have to use the user input, you can use this scanner. So just import this, then write a reference variable of this class and create an object. Simple. And then inside it you have to write system.in. You can easily take the input. Now suppose you want to take the input for a. So for integer you can write sc.nextInt. Okay, that's all. And for b again you can write sc.nextInt. If your variable is of the type long or double or float, then there is next int, next float, next double, next long, right? So that way you can take the input. Now for string, there is some important thing you need to know. If you take the string input before, if suppose you are taking a string input before taking the any integral input or numeric input, then you can just write input dot next line. Okay, so that will work fine. But if you take the string input after taking if you take the string input after any numeric input, then if you just do this, this will not actually, it will work in a very different or weird way. So after taking every integral input or any numeric input, you have to write sc dot next line, and then only you can take a string input. So it will come in a correct way or in an expected way. Okay, so this is one thing to remember. Another thing is there are two methods to take the string input. One is next line and another is simply next. So if you use sc.next, only single string you can pass. If you want to pass two string, like you want to pass Java programming, so you will write Java then space then programming, but actually only Java will be taken as the input, the rest will be ignored if you use the next method. So for that you have to use next line. Okay, so that's some of the important points regarding the scanner class and how can we use the scanner class to take the user input. Now if I run the program, you will see that it works perfectly fine. So the first input I take from is a, so I write 3, then enter. Then I have to write a scanner for string, so I will pass Java, and third is b, I pass 6, and now it's working fine. Okay, so I hope you are now it's clear how to take the input using this user input using the scanner class. This is one of the most important thing. Now you can practice the questions at various platforms on Geeks of Geeks or CodeChef or HackerRank if you want, because there the user input is also important thing which you have to write. So now you know how to do that, right? So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.